Hello watcher and subscribers. Now here we are in the next program in Python programming series, and our next program is related with the multiplication table. It means suppose the user is interested in the multiplication table of 8, 9 or 10, then user will enter the particular value and we will display the multiplication table for that particular number. So now here we start the coding. So first here I will display output message multiplication table. So user will first read this message, then I want one more output statement here. So do you want multiplication table for which number? That will be my message. So do you want multiplication table for which number? So here after reading this message, user will enter the value and user will enter integer value. So this is the input statement. So here I don't want to show any message inside input. So after reading this message, the user can enter the input value, and then I will take here loop. With the help of range method. So range, as you know, multiplication starts with 1 and it is up to 10 times. So I will use the number 11 here. And here your output statement is much important. So here I will show you that particular number. Suppose we want multiplication table of 5. So it should display 5 into 1. So I will print that variable n here. And in this n it will display multiplication sign here, and then here we will use the variable I. So you see the number, particular number, suppose 5 into 1, because it start with 1, then in the next way it will show you 5 into 2, 5 into 3 up to 5 into 10, like that. So then here I want equal sign, and then it will show the multiplication, so that number into I. Got it? So this logic n into I, it will perform the multiplication, and here you will get this number value into I value equal symbol. So this is what the logic of multiplication. We will check the output. So we got the output multiplication. Do you want multiplication table for which number? So suppose I am entering 8. So you get the multiplication table for 8 into 1, 8 into 2. So like that you got the multiplication table for 8. I run into the next attempt. So suppose we enter the number 5, then it will show you the multiplication table for 5. So this logic is very simple, and it will show you the multiplication of number whichever the number you want. So it is very powerful if you are entering a larger value, suppose 77. So then you can get the output for 77. So in this way this program will work out. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.